just we had a discussion about, sir, what is front end, what is back end, regarding what is the front end and what is the back end. Next and after that, even we discussed about just started about HTML technology. Okay, the most basic building block for every web application. Okay, front end technology. Even I started HTML, sir. Just hardly 3 or 4 sessions. We will complete this HTML. Don't worry about that. I won't take much time. Okay. So now, what is HTML? Hypertext markup language. Next, yes, hypertext markup language. Like, so now this is the very basic building block to develop any web application. HTML must be required. Next, and after that, for HTML, if you want to add the styles, then automatically we should go for CSS concept. If you want to add the functionality, then we should go for JavaScript. Remember that, sir. Okay, JavaScript. If you want sir, styles, then we should go for CSS files. If you want to add sir, some extra functionality, to the HTML, then we should go for what? JavaScript. Remember that, sir. Next, what is the basic structure of HTML? I covered, sir. Sir, every HTML component contains 2 parts. One is head part. Next, and after that, body part. The first one itself is nothing but head. Second one is the body part, right? Head contains metadata like title of the page. Are you getting that? What is the title of page? Next, who wrote this? Who is the author? Next, what are various keywords? Next, and after that, do you know links to CSS files, and JS JavaScript files? Like this information where you require to provide, sir, inside head part. Remember. Next, in the body part, what we have to provide? Original content. Regarding what content you want to display, what content we have to display to the end user, that thing is by default considered as okay. Original content itself is the body part, sir. Okay, that's all. Now here then, sir, we can write the head part in body as well. Then what is the purpose of header? Yes, usually do you know header itself is nowhere related to the end user output. Remember this one. For everything, meta information must be there. That meta information by default we are going to print inside head part. Remember, body general meant for okay original content. Okay, like that. Now, sir, just let me show. Yesterday I covered about heading tags also. Regarding heading tags also we covered, right? Sir, what are various heading tags we covered? HTML contain 6 heading tags. Regarding HTML contain how many heading tags, right? 6 heading tags HTML contain. Sir, what those? Very simple. H1. Next, and after that H2, like 6 heading tags are by default there. H1 to H6, right? Okay, like next, sir, we require to talk about paragraph tag. That part I will take care. Don't worry about that. Just observe, sir. Have you remembered? Yesterday we discussed about test1.html. Like this, like test1.html. Like this, I'm taking, sir. Sir, do you know this is the demo? This is the title where you require to take, sir. Inside head part title we are going to define. Next time after that inside body we are going to define, sir, whatever the content you want is nothing but right. Sir, these are the heading tags I showed. Sir, by seeing the output you can able to see the difference. You can able to see the difference between these heading tags, right? Just observe that. Yes, sir, this is H1, this is H2, H3, H4, H5, and then H6. These are various heading tags what we have, but anyway that depends on requirement. Yes, in general we never going to use this small kind of headings. Don't worry about the general whether we are going to use H1, H2, or in the worst scenario H3. Very rare we are going to have, sir, the remaining type of headings, right? Okay, clear. So now what is the next thing we require to talk about? Sir, paragraph tag. Take a bit very special care, sir. Sir, paragraph tag. Sir, I told yesterday, I hope how many people remembered, I'm not sure. Sir, everything better to discuss, better to think in our normal day-to-day lifestyle. Okay, in our notes. Sir, just I want to take paragraph. Just observe that paragraph. This is the first paragraph, sir. And then this is the second paragraph. And then this is the third paragraph, like I want to take, sir. Sir, how you can able to define paras? We can use paragraph tag. We can use paragraph tag Okay, so to define paragraph of text, to define paragraph of text, this thing must be required. Okay, now here take a bit very special case. Sir, just I'm taking, sir, this is sir Django HTML sessions like this I'm taking. So like just I'm taking, yes, just copy here, observe that, copy like this I'm taking, sir. So assume that this is one paragraph. Regarding this total is nothing but one paragraph, sir. Okay. Now let me take one more paragraph like. Now observe that, sir, after this H6 or after H1, now I'm taking, sir, a paragraph. Regarding now I'm taking, sir, paragraph. Now I'm taking another paragraph. Observe that whatever the content I'm taking, sir, this is the first paragraph, this is the second paragraph, and so on. Now have a look once, sir, how the output looks like. Are you in a position to understand, right? This is H1 heading. Next and after that, this one is the first paragraph, and then this is the second paragraph. Right? I hope you can able to see first paragraph and second paragraph, just like in our notes of you are going to write. Correct, Ratna? Yes. Can you please observe? Can you please observe? Yes, in our notes, in what style we are going to write? Yes, this is the heading, H1 heading. Next and after that, this is the first paragraph, and after that, this is the second paragraph, like this. So heading tags can be used, sir, to define headings in our HTML page. Next, a paragraph tag can be used to define a paragraph of text data, right? But here there is one small important point you people should aware. What is that point? Is take a bit special care to understand this point, sir. Sir, I don't want this one, sir. Just sir, paragraph 1. Observe very carefully, sir. Paragraph 1 I'm taking, sir. Next and after that, here paragraph 2 I'm taking. Paragraph 3 I'm taking. Now different scenarios I'm going to explain. Please take a bit very special care about this terminology, right? So this is the paragraph 1. Legend. This is the paragraph 1. Next paragraph 2. Next I'm taking paragraph 2. Observe that paragraph 2 I'm taking. Next I'm taking paragraph 3. I'm taking, sir, like this I'm taking paragraph 2, paragraph 3, paragraph 4. Sir, very important point I'm ready to conclude. Please observe carefully, sir. Okay, like this. Now my question is, sir, here how many paragraph tags I define? I use how many paragraph tags? Only one. But how many lines of text I took? Can you please observe? How many lines of text I took? 4 lines. Now, if I send the request to the browser, of course, while displaying, can you please tell how the output by default is going to come? Yes, can you please respond? How the output is going to come in the picture? So in HTML, remember that, sir. In HTML, okay. So indentation, such type of things are not important. Okay. So the blocks are going to be defined by using tags only. So this total thing is one tag. That's why total data by default is going to be displayed in only one tag. Total data by default is going to be displayed in only one line because it is only one tag, right? That's why. Have you observed, right? Paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, paragraph 4. By default is going to come in a single line only. It is not going to come in multiple lines. Clear? Any doubt? I hope everyone can able to understand the total data will be displayed in single line because we are using only one paragraph tag. Remember this one, sir. Now, suppose I'm taking, sir, this is the first paragraph. Assume that this is the first paragraph. First paragraph I'm taking, and the paragraph. Next, the paragraph 2, paragraph 3, paragraph 4. Paragraph 3, paragraph 4. Can you please tell how the output looks like? Is it going to come in the 4 lines or only 1 line? Is it going to come 4 lines or only 1 line? Only 1 line. Make sure, sir. Output is always going to come in 4 lines because 4 paragraph tags are there. That's why 4 lines by default is going to get the output, sir. Observe paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, paragraph 4. Suppose I'm taking in a single line. I'm taking in a single line. Observe that. I'm taking in a single line, sir. Okay. Can you please tell now how the output looks like? How the output looks like? Yes, please respond. How the output looks like? In one line, the output is going to come, or in 4 lines, the output is going to come, sir. Yes, make sure the output will come in 4 lines, sir. Because 4 paragraph tags you used. Remember, sir, number of lines, next blocks, everything is going to take care. Everything is going to take care by paragraph tag only. Number of blocks, everything is going to take care by paragraph tag only. So whether you are taking these paragraph tags in single line or multiple lines, are you getting it? In a single line or multiple lines, so it is always going to come. It's always going to come in, okay? It's always going to come in multiple lines because multiple paragraph tags we use it right. Observe that. Observe a bit very carefully, sir. So make sure. Next and after that, one more thing I'm going to take, sir. First paragraph tag, and then second paragraph tag I'm taking, and after that, third paragraph tag I'm taking, sir. Now observe, third paragraph tag I'm taking here, fourth paragraph tag I'm taking here. Are you getting? Can you please tell how the output looks like? Yes, how the output looks like? Yes, ma'am. Same as the previous, or otherwise in the output, sir, first paragraph, and then some space is going to come. Space is going to come after some space, second paragraph, and then some space is going to come after that, some like this. Am I going to get the output? No chance at all. Same output by default we are going to get, sir. Same output by default we are going to get. Now observe it very carefully, sir. Same. It means indentation, such type of terminology not there. Remember, but in Python, by mistake, if you are giving one space, immediately indentation error by default we are going to get. Correct, right? Indentation error we are going to get. But here, indentation, such type of thing is not there in HTML. Remember, even one space is there, 2 spaces are there. Everything is going to define. Everything is going to come with respect to tags only. The tags are responsible to define block of data. Regarding the tags, sir, outside of the tag, if you are taking anything, it never going to come, sir, in the output, sir. Remember, it's never going to be considered in the output. Indentation, spacing, multiple lines, everything should be decided by tags only. No spaces outside of the tag. If you are doing anything, it never going to be considered. Everyone can able to understand? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Now within the paragraph, give some space. Within the paragraph tag, I'm giving some space. Within the paragraph, giving some space. Within the paragraph tag, giving some space. Okay, like that. Now have a look once how the output looks like. Are you getting? Here, just have you observed, right? 1 minute. Here, just the spaces I'm going to take. So this space also by default will be ignored. That space, if you want, then automatically some special tag we require to use. What is that? Anyone there? Anyone aware? Some special tag we require to use. Some BR means break. Ampersand NBN, like some special tag we require to use. Don't worry, sir. Sir, make sure everything should be decided by tags only in HTML. Indentation, such type of things we never going to worry about that, sir. Okay. For readability purpose, readability said you can able to take, sir, in style, but anyway style is not required and so on. Clear, right? That's all. This is what you people should be aware about, sir. This what we call paragraph tags, right? So HTML indentation is important or not important? Can you please tell? In HTML, indentation is important or not important? Indentation is not important. So in any order, you can able to take with the spaces, multiple spaces, but in the output, it is never going to be considered that. Okay, that's all. Next, this is about heading tag and paragraph tags. Now, I have one more important point. Have you ever used a bold tag? Anyone, man? Bold. I want to display some text in bold letters. I want to display some text in bold letters. Can you please guide? Is it possible or not? Yes, happily it's always possible. What is the tag we require to use, right? Okay, old way or legacy way. Old way or legacy way is B, sir. Regarding B, B means what? B means what? Bold. Remember, B means what? What's a bold? Bold tag, right? Sir, just I'm taking here. Just I'm taking, sir. B. Sir, this data should be in bold. This data should be in bold. Like this, I'm taking, sir. Just simply P. I'm taking. Now, how it looks like? How it looks like? Are you getting it? Sir, it is not, because I didn't use bold tag. It is normal only. Now my requirement is just use B, sir. Are you getting? Just use B tag, right? Okay. If you use a B tag, what is the output by default you are going to get, sir? Now have a look once. Now the data is coming in the bold letter or not? Yes, the data itself is going to come in the bold, but this way is the old way or legacy way, sir. But what is the new way? Regarding what is the new way, sir? Anyone, can you please tell? Yes, anyone, can you please tell? Okay, what is the new way is strong. New way is strong. Remember, if you are going to use a strong, okay, if you are going to use a strong, yes, sorry, here I'm taking strong. Yes, this is next. Here also just I want to take strong. This is the new way, sir. New way. Remember that. What is the output by default you are going to get, sir? In bold with the strong tag. With the strong tag. Like this I'm taking, sir. Otherwise, you people may feel sorry, showing old output only. Okay. Now have a look once. Yes, this data should be in the bold with the strong tag. Yes, ma'am. Yes, it is in HTML5. Correct. It is in HTML5. Okay, like this, what you have to consider, this data should be in the bold tag like this. So in the old style is okay, like this is the B, and the new style is nothing but strong. Yes, it is not self-closing tag compulsory. We require to close that tag. Okay, remember. Next, what is the, sir, do you know italic? At our childhood somewhere we covered, sir, italic tag. Italic tag. At our childhood somewhere we covered. What is the italic tag, sir? Yes, again, old way or legacy way. Old way or legacy way is nothing but like this. Are you getting italic? Old way or legacy way is nothing but italic like this, right? Okay. Let me use this italic. Okay. Here I'm taking. I also let me close that. Now observe a bit very carefully, sir. Now the data is coming in bold and the even italic also is going to come. But what is the new way? Anyone, can you please tell? What is the new way? Please respond. What is the new way, sir? Yes, EM, not EMP. EM means emphasis. Are you getting that? EM means emphasis. Okay. New way is, sir, EM, emphasis, right? Okay. Now instead of this one, now I'm taking EM. Are you getting instead of this one? Now let me take EM. Okay. By bold, with the strong tag and emphasis tag. Okay, assume. Now observe. Are you getting right? Are you seeing italic? At the same time, you are seeing even in the bold also. Okay, like this one, you should aware. So what is the meaning? What is the meaning of, sir, how you can able to display the data in the bold way and the italic way? This is the possibility, right? Old way is nothing but B, and new way is nothing but strong tag. Next, italic, old way is nothing but I, new way is nothing but EM. What is that EM, sir? Anyone, can you please tell? What is the EM? EM itself is nothing but what? EM, emphasis. Regarding EM itself is nothing but emphasis. Like this, right? Okay. Next, is it lowercase or uppercase, right? I and EM. Lowercase or uppercase? Lowercase I have to use, uppercase I have to use. Please respond. Is it lowercase or uppercase I have to use? So very simple. Any case we can use. Any case we can use because HTML is not case sensitive. You can use either lowercase or uppercase, no problem at all. Okay, like that's also. So this is about, yes, this is about what is how you can able to, sir, use a bold tag and italic tag. Next one, sir, we are going to use, it's a very common requirement in our HTML lists creation. Are you getting? It's a very common, sir, lists creation. Okay, like sir, is there any difference between B and strong? B and strong? Yes, sir. There is maybe at very top level, maybe minor difference is there. Ignore, just ignore. Just as of now, just aware B and strong. Both the things are same. Okay. Next, sir, list creation. List creation, right? Sir, in HTML, there are two types of lists we are going to display. We are going to create, sir. First one, if you observe that, sometimes what will happen is, sir, I want item 1, okay, item 2, item 3 like this, with the numbers I want. Are you getting? With the numbers I want. 2, next and after that 3rd, next and after that 4th, like this I want with the numbers. If you want with the numbers, such type of lists are called ordered lists. Are you getting? Such type of lists are called what? Ordered lists. Remember this one, order, because here numbering will come. Sometimes what will happen is, sir, I don't want just order, just some bullet symbols are enough. I don't want numbers, just bullet symbols are enough. Then automatically, just bullet symbols are enough, sir. Sir, something like item 1, okay, item 1, item 2, item 3, like this. Just bullet symbols are enough. Such type of lists are by default considered as unordered lists. Regarding such type of lists are by default considered as unordered lists. Remember, so in HTML, how many types of lists are available? There are two types of lists are available. Two types of lists are available, right? But the first ones are ordered list. Second ones are unordered list. Remember, okay, ordered and unordered, where all the list items are going to be defined according to number, as per number. Such type of thing is nothing but ordered. I don't want orders are just only bullet symbols are required. That's all, numbers I don't want. Then we can go for unordered list. Okay. Now, how you can able to define? How you can able to define this ordered and unordered list? Very simple, sir. How you can able to define? If you want to define ordered list, very simple, sir. What you have to take here is, so OL tag. Are you getting? What is the tag name, sir? OL means what? Ordered list. Next up, close this OL. Okay, beginning of OL, end of OL. Now each one is nothing but list item. Each one itself is nothing but list item. This list item you have to enclose with the LI. Are you getting? This list item we require to enclose with the LI. LI means list item. OL means ordered list. Observe that. Suppose I'm taking the, here just observe, the available brands are, okay, the available brands are, like this I'm taking, sir. Sir, what my requirement is, available brands are like this. Sir, now do you want ordered or unordered? Assume ordered list. Sir, OL. Are you getting? Just OL I'm taking, sir. Inside OL, sir, I'm taking LI, list item, sir. Okay. Sir, which brands are available? Okay. Now I'm taking KF, like this I'm taking, sir. Something like ordered list. Sir, like you can define any number. Are you getting? KF, some RC, next and after that FO, KO, sir, KO, next and after that local brands also I want to include some Kalyani, Kharjura, like I want to take, sir. That's all. Now, while printing, if it is the ordered list, how it is going to be? How it is going to be there, sir? Just a very, very small thing, just observe. Let me display this one. Let me display this. Are you able to see, right? The available brands are KF, RC, KO, sir, FO, and then something like a Kalyani, like we are going to take. Any doubt? Is the numbers are coming automatically or not? Is the numbers are coming automatically or not? Yes, the numbers are coming automatically. We are not required. Numbers are coming automatically. We are not required to take whenever we are using OL. Such type of lists are by default considered as ordered list. Remember how you can able to do the ordered list. Okay, like next sometimes there are Roman numbers and so on with the CSS styling. We can able to do that. Okay, that part we are going to take our own card. Don't worry. So just the basics we are talking. Next, sometimes what will happen is, sir, I want unordered. I want unordered. Everything is always same, sir. Everything is always same, but instead of OL, you require to take UL. Regarding instead of OL, you require to take UL. What is the meaning of UL? Please respond. What is the meaning of UL? Unordered list. U means unordered list. Okay. Like now, have a look once, same thing. Have you observed? Instead of numbers, now bullet symbols are going to come. So how you can able to define, okay, ordered list? How you can able to define unordered list? It is the very clear for you people, right? Okay. So this is the way. Like now, I have one more small doubt. Up to this, any doubt? Up to this, any doubts or numbering, Roman numbering and some other, we will discuss in the next sessions. I mean, once CSS is going to come, we may add some extra masala. Don't worry, sir. Just ordered list and unordered list. Clear? Now my question is, inside the list, can I take another list? Inside the list, can I take another list? Possible or not? Why not? Why not? Yes, possible. Such type of lists are by default considered as nested list. Nested list. Sir, inside ordered list, you can take unordered list. Inside unordered list, we can take ordered list. Inside order. So anything inside anything is always possible. Don't give ordered list should contain unordered, unordered list should contain ordered. No. Anything you can able to take, sir. No problem at all. Now assume that. So the available, okay, subjects, the available subjects are like this. I'm taking, sir. Sir, what are various subjects, sir? Sir, first subject I'm taking Java. Second subject I'm taking what we call SAP. Okay. Third subject I'm taking, sir. Okay, C sharp. Regarding third subject I'm taking C sharp. Fourth subject I'm taking, sir, Python. Regarding Python I'm taking, sir. Now my question is, under Python, there are several subcourses are there. I want to take, sir. What I'm taking? Ordered list. Ordered list I'm taking. Next and after that, LI. Ordered list, LI. What under Python? Sir, core Python. Regarding core Python, next core Python is there. Similarly, you can take advanced Python, core Python, advanced Python. Next and after that, okay, Django, like Django, you can able to take Django. I'm taking. Next and after that, data science, machine learning, like this I'm taking, sir. Data science, sir, machine learning, like or otherwise data science I'm taking. That's all. All these are various lists. Now it is ordered list. That's all. Any doubt? Now observe. So Java, SAP, C sharp, and Python. Under Python, yes, sir, this is the sublist by default will come, sir. How it looks like. Now observe that. Sir, it is unordered list. In the under Python, sublist is going to come. So this is the sublist type. Or otherwise, let me take top level as ordered list. This one is ordered. No problem. Both are ordered only. Yes, acceptable. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4 like. Sir, this one inner I'm taking unordered list. More meaningful. Unordered list. Possible or not? Yes, why not? Why not? Perfectly it is going to be acceptable. Any doubt? Boss, any doubt about this one? Yes, you can take any data. No problem at all. Clear, right? This is the first list. This is the second list. Babita, you can take. No problem at all. Okay. Rajesh, for that maybe some extra formatting must be required. Maybe some extra formatting. So while displaying the numbers, we require to talk about. Yes, inside the list we can take paragraphs also, no problem. First point is one paragraph, second point is another paragraph, like that. Clear? Any doubt about this one? Inside the list, can I take nested another list or not? Yes, perfectly it is going to be acceptable. Okay, such type of things are nothing but list creation, right? Yes, Jyoti, for that maybe some tag we are going to use, underline tag. Yes, we can able to do that. But yeah, up to this, clear? Sir, what are various lists you have to take care? Was there already? Generally, it is not self-closing tag. That's why we require to close explicitly. Yeah, sure. Up to this, any doubt? Okay. Now, it is very clear for you people. We had a discussion about heading tags. We covered about paragraph tag. We covered about bold tag. We covered about italic tag. Next and after that, we had a discussion about lists, how to create, because it's a very important, sir. How you can able to create list? What is the ordered list, unordered list? What about nested lists, like this type? Next, I want to add very important terminology, sir. I want to add image inside HTML. Regarding I want to add image inside HTML. Is it possible or not? Can I able to add the image to the HTML or not? Yes. How you can able to do that? Yes. Anyone can you please tell? Anyone can you please tell what is the tag, sir? IMG. What is the meaning of IMG, sir? Image. So, sir, what is the source for this image? What is the source for this image? I have to specify src is equal to, okay, any image, sir, something like abc dot jpg, like this I'm taking, sir. Image src is equal to abc dot abc. Next, sir, here just have a look once. We can take generally alt also. Generally, we can take alt. What is the meaning of alt, sir? Please respond. What it means alt? Alt means what? Alternative. Regarding alternative. Suppose if this abc.jp is not available, if you want to display some text message, alternate is always text only, not alternative image. If you want some text, sir, image missing, will be uploaded soon, like this I'm taking. Will be uploaded soon, like this, right? So this thing itself is nothing but image. Regarding this thing itself is nothing but image. Okay, like this one we have to take care. Now the point here is, so if I'm not closing this tag. Have you observed, right? I'm not closing this tag. Yes, just I open this tag. I'm not closing this tag because this tag is called self-closing tag. This tag itself is nothing but one self-closing tag. Sir, we are not required to close, sir. We are not required to close. We have to open the tag and we are not responsible to close the tag. Such type of tags are nothing but one self-closing tag. Automatically it's going to take care about closing. Okay, this is self-closing, right? Now in my HTML, HTML, just observe what I want to take is some. Here I'm taking. So welcome to some Python sessions. Python sessions. Please give, sir, welcome to Python sessions. Okay, like I'm taking, sir, H1. Next I'm taking H2 tag also. Please please tell a big thanks to, please tell a big thanks to Guido. Are you getting Guido? Like this, I want to display, sir. Who is the Guido, sir? Who is the Guido? Guido Van Rossum, the person who introduced the Python. The person who introduced the Python. Now I'm taking image src is equal to, sir, in my desktop, Guido image, I hope there. Is it there anywhere? No. Somewhere. Yes. Okay, Guido image is already there, sir. Okay, Guido image itself is there. This is the image, right? Guido. So really great person, man. Beautiful language this person introduced. Okay, this is, now observe this one. I want to include this image. I want to include this image, right? In my, what is the image name? Guido.jpg. Okay, like I'm taking, sir, src is equal to guido.jpg. Okay, src is equal to guido.jpg. Sir, alt is equal to, alt is equal to, like now, so image missing will be uploaded soon. Will be uploaded soon. Like this I'm taking, sir. That's all. Now, if you consider how the output looks like, sir, we should be in a position to know how to include image in our HTML page. For this, height you can able to set. Next and after that, for this height and width you can able to set. No problem at all. Just where is where is the path? Assume current working directory. Remember that, sir. Assume current working directory, like this. Now have a look once about this one. Just refresh this. Sir, welcome to Python sessions. Please tell a big thanks to Guido, like this. Sir, in my HTML, is it coming or not? Yes, happily it's going to come. No problem at all, sir. Okay. Sir, if this image is available somewhere else, then we require to use full path. Now, sir, HTML file is available on the desktop. Correct, right? Desktop. Image is also available on the desktop. That's why we are not required to worry, because it's already, both locations are same. But if it is available in the D drive, then you require to pass D:/ something like this. Are you able to understand, right? So full path you require to provide, then it's going to work in that, no issue at all. Okay, that's all. Next, suppose alt text is optional. It is not mandatory, sir. It is not mandatory, optional, right? Suppose, sir, Guido 1, 2, 3. Assume that it is not there. Even alt information is also not there. Or otherwise, alt is equal to just, that's all. I didn't write anything, right? Sir, is Guido 1, 2, 3, is it available in my current desktop or not? In the desktop, is it available or not available? Not available. Then what is the output by default you are going to get? Just let me observe that. Yes, regarding it is actually, it has to display some what we call broken link. It's not displaying. Actually, 1 minute. Am I doing anywhere? Yes, image is empty. No problem at all. Sir, here no. 1 minute. Space is there. No, broken image, it has to come, sir. Broken image picture, it has to come. Have you observed, right? Sir, are you seeing right? Broken image picture? Yes. Okay, itself is nothing but this is broken link. This is what in the UI terminology, broken link. Now I can use the word alt is equal to image missing will be uploaded soon. Regarding image missing will be uploaded soon. Like this I'm taking, sir. Now have a look once. Have you observed? Broken link it is showing that image missing will be uploaded soon. Even if you want, you can able to define with the ALT attribute. What is that thing is nothing but like this. Up to this is the clear. Observe that. Up to this is the clear. Okay. Now I want to include the image from the Google. Yes, correct. I want to include the image from the Google. Was there? How you can able to do that? Yes, for the web you can able to copy image address, copy image location, and copy paste there. Suppose assume you do google.com just python you do images. Okay, like this. Python you do images like this. I'm taking some. Yes, observe that there are multiple images are there. There are multiple images are there, sir. Okay, like I'm taking, this is something like a wonderful image. Here, assume that wonderful image is there. So copy image address. Are you getting? Copy image address. Image address I'm taking, sir. Now have a look once, sir. Copy image address. Okay, within this place. Now I'm taking like this. HTTP, yes, sir, copy image address like this I'm taking, right? Now have a look once, sir. This is HTTP, yes, like GitHub dot some. This is the image. Now let me refresh my HTML page. Yes, is it coming? Is it coming from the Google or not? Yes, we can able to use, no problem at all. So this is the way how to use okay, image, how to display image in our HTML. Any doubt? Any doubt about this one? Okay, can I go to the next level? Yes, I want to define hyperlinks. It's a very common requirement, right? I want to define hyperlinks, right? If you want to define hyperlinks, anchor tag we have to use. How to define hyperlinks, sir. Hyperlinks are nothing but with the anchor tag. Okay, how it is, how you can able to do that? Very simple. Very simple, sir. Just I'm taking click here, next and after that it's not self-closing tag. Okay, like this. Now here we have to take, sir, whenever you click here, to which location it should go, here you require to define what is the attribute we are going to use, right? href. Are you getting? href is nothing but hyperlink reference. Okay, like sir, what is that? Is http slash sir, https like this. Let me take, sir. So https slash facebook.com like this I'm taking, sir. https slash facebook.com. If you can take now hyperlink by default is going to come in the picture, sir. Have a look. I mean, will be displayed in our page. Okay. Now observe that. Now observe this one. So let me send the request. Yes, here click here. Are you getting that? Click here. If I can click this one, automatically the control will goes to facebook.com. How to define? Don't worry about formatting. Sir, image hyperlink is coming after the image. After the image, I want before the image. Don't worry about that. Just how to define these components. You people should be aware. Beautiful CSS is there to alter all those things we are going to take care of. Okay. A means what? Anchor tag. Anchor tag means link like this. So this is the way, sir. Clear? So up to this, we had a discussion about what are various heading tags. Next and after that, how to define, okay, paragraph tag, next and after that bold, under then Italian tags, italic tags. Okay, like what is the next things? How to define list, Sir, what are various? Ordered list, ordered list we cover, ordered list and unordered list, unordered list we cover, unordered list. Next and after that we had a discussion how to include image, how to define hyperlinks, right? Okay, that's all. These are the things what you people should be aware just. Now with this knowledge, I want to go for a small chota assignment. Remember this one, sir. A small assignment I have to go for that. What is my assignment? Is just have a look once, sir. Best example for you. Here, this is about my assignment I want. Yes, already I showed. You should be in a position to display this one. Yes, welcome to Durga Bar and Restaurant. Okay, like this one. Welcome to Durga Bar and Restaurant. Next, this is the bar image. Next, and after that, here paragraph tag is there. Sir, we are very specialized for child beer and so on. Our brand ambassador is Sunny Leone. Next, and after that, our offered products are okay. Like these are the offered products. Offer of the day: buy one get one free. View our profile, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, like this I want. This is about, can you please develop this small web page, okay, by using whatever the things we covered up to this, right? Okay, very simple. Shall we do that? Matter of 5 minutes. Can I do that? Yes, ma'am. Can I do that? Okay, let me go to sir D colon. Okay, D colon. One Durga bar. Okay, this is the here image already downloaded from the Google. Next and after the D bar is already there, sir. Okay, let me take one file, a fresh file, sir. HTML page. Okay, HTML page. Now all this nonsense is not required. Okay, don't worry about that. Next here, Durga, welcome. This is Durga bar and restaurant. Durga bar and restaurant, like this, right? Durga bar and restaurant. What the spelling? Restaurant, like this I'm taking, sir. 1 minute. Okay, Durga bar and restaurant, like this. This is home page, like this. I'm just taking, sir. This is the title. This is the title what I'm taking. Now in the body, let me take, sir. Here H1 tag. Yes. What thing you are expecting? Okay, what thing you are expecting, sir? Just this is welcome to Durga bar and restaurant. I don't want to type again. Just copy paste. And let me save inside D colon. Same location. One Durga bar. Can you give some names, sir? Okay, D Durga bar dot html I'm taking, sir. That's all. Let me open that. Is it going to display up to this properly or not? Yes, ma'am. Yes, perfectly. It's going to come, no doubt at all. Okay, this is our target output. But anyway, as of now, we took this one. Sir, what is the tag I used for this? Please respond. What is the tag I used for this? Oh, for display purpose. What is the tag I used? Like this. Next, after this, I want image. I want to include image. Can you please guide how to include image, sir? Just now I told, right? img src is equal to, okay. What is the image? D bar dot jpg. Okay. What is that image, right? D bar dot jpg. Okay, like sir, alt alternative. Sir, I'm taking, so image missing will be uploaded soon. Like this I'm taking, sir. Image missing will be uploaded soon. Like this I'm taking. Up to this is clear, sir. We are not required to close. Sorry, it is a self-closing tag. Okay, it is a self-closing tag. Now, sir, is the image is going to come or not? Let me refresh this one. Perfect. Welcome to Durga bar and restaurant. Image is also coming. Now the next one, sir. Yes, here some data is there. We are very specialized for chilled beer. We have virtual rain environment with all facilities. so that 100% guarantee for the kick. Okay, well, this is the paragraph tag. Are you getting right? This is the paragraph tag. What I will take, sir? So P. Okay, like this one. Can you please observe? We are very specialized for chilled beer. We have virtual rain environment with all facilities, so that 100% guarantee for the kick. We have almost around thousands of thousand brands like tequila. Okay, dot dot like we have. Okay, like this, right? This is the paragraph tag. Okay, now to this, it's working properly or not? Yes, man, perfect. It's a perfect, sir. 100% kick guarantee. Almost 1,000 brands are available. Like oh, by mistake, spelling mistake. Okay, I don't know, sir. Okay, tequila, no spelling mistake. Okay, don't worry. Yeah. Yeah, this is, have you observed up to this is the clear. Next one after that, here H2 tag. Hey, our brand ambassador is Sunny Leone, man. Okay, now which tag I require to take, sir? Can you please tell which tag I require to take? H2. What is the message? I want this is just copy paste, because so that our life will become very easy instead of typing. Okay, just I'm taking our brand ambassador is Sunny Leone, like this, right? Okay, now just have a look once. Have a look once. This is H2 tag is also coming. H2 tag is also coming. Now what next I have to take care? What is the next I require to take? Image, Sunny Leone image I want, sir. Image src is equal to, what is the image name we have? Sunny.jpg. Okay, sunny.jpg, like this I'm taking. Next, sir, alt is equal to, okay, so some data, image missing, or some data, sir, image missing, like this I'm taking. That's all. Can you please cross check if the Sunny is going to come or not? Yes, perfect. Welcome to Durga Bar and Restaurant. Image. Next one after that, like this, right? Next, sir, I want in our thing, I want these things. Our offered products are, like there are some items you want. Okay, can you please guide what I have to take, sir? H3 tag. I'm taking our offered products are, our offered brands are, like this I'm taking, sir. Sir, what I have to take? Sir, do you want ordered list or unordered list? It is the ordered list only. Okay. Now I'm taking OL. Next and after that, list item. Okay. Now just the Kingfisher. Okay, like Kingfisher. Like next this is the list item 1. Next second one, sir, knockout. Okay, knockout, like this I'm taking. Next one after that, what is the next one? Royal Challenger. What is this one, man? Royal Challenge. Okay, next anything? Royal Stag. Sorry, Royal Stag. Any other things? 1,000 pipers. 1,000 pipers. Okay, like okay, Foster, like okay, that's all. Just don't worry, just taking, if your favorite brand not covered, please add that brand also in your while practicing. Okay, like that's all. So that's it. So this is now our offered brands. Perfect, man. Have a look once. Our offered brands are Kingfisher, Knockout, Royal Stag. Okay, like this we are getting. Any doubt? Any doubt about this one? Okay, that's all. What is the next thing I want, sir? Okay, next thing. Still what there? Oh, offer of the day. Oh, buy one, get one free. Offer of the day. Buy one, get one free. Okay, like this. Sir, how you can able to do that? Yes, it is a big H1 tag. H1 tag, offer of the day. Buy one, get one free. Are you getting? Buy one, get one free. Like this, I'm taking, sir. That's all. Now, for a fair, offer of the day is also going to come. Buy one, get one free. Okay. Next, what is the last one, sir? Please observe. View our profile. YouTube, Twitter, Facebook. YouTube, Twitter, Facebook. Like this, right? So, our profile. View our profile. So, just it is the paragraph. It is the paragraph only. Okay, view our profile. Here, paragraph, view our profile. View our profile. Okay, like this I'm taking, sir, paragraph. View our profile. Now, sir, what I have to take, sir? YouTube. YouTube. Can you please tell how I can define hyperlink? Ahref is equal to http colon youtube.com. youtube.com. Next, here you have to display text. YouTube. Okay, like anchor tag. Okay, this is the YouTube line. So similarly, you can define next one Facebook. Next one after that Twitter. Like this I'm taking, sir. Twitter like here just http facebook.com. Next and after that, what is the next one? Yes, we are taking twitter.com. Like this. If you want instead of text, you can take image also. No problem at all. Yes, Prudvi. Even you can take image also. YouTube. Yes, we can add image also instead of text. Okay, like sir, Twitter image. I want to add YouTube images. Can I take here img tag? Img src is equal to YouTube image. Any image, right? YouTube image I'm taking. Everywhere it is available, sir. YouTube image everywhere it's available. Okay, like I'm taking this one. Assume that's all. Okay, like so I'm taking this. Army. YouTube is open. Okay, copy image address. Just I'm using. So formation wise, don't worry about that. Sir, sizes, don't worry about that. Okay, don't worry about sizes and so on. Okay, sizes and so on. Don't worry about that, sir. Okay, like just what I'm trying to take here. That's all. Only for YouTube, I took image also. Only for YouTube, I took image also. Let me close that. Okay, that's all. Now let me show here like this. I'm taking offer of the day. Are you getting right? So here worry about our remaining man. Yeah, here the remaining things are there. Don't worry about this. Okay, if I click this, then automatically youtube.com by default is going to be open. If you click this, then youtube.com by default is going to be open, sir. Next, even the remaining things also by default will be there. If you observe that, yes, youtube.com by default. Now, 1 minute. This is our style. Yeah, here like if you observe facebook.com is going to be open. If you observe twitter.com by default is going to be open. Don't worry about that. So height and width, we will adjust. Don't worry about that. Okay, so that's all. This is a small chota example, sir. Okay, you should aware. Now instead of taking image, let me take youtube.com. Yes, no issue at all. Images also small icons we can able to take by adjusting height and width. Okay, like now that's all. Let me open this. Let me reload. Yes, sorry, not this one. Let me reload my page. Okay, that's all. Everything by default will be there. YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, view our profile, offer of the day, and so on. Yes, ma'am. Any doubt about this example? How to use image? How to use what we call how you can able to use image, like it's very clear for you people, right? Okay, yeah, Nishant, 1 minute. Sir, I have many images. I want to show them in browser with the next previous button links. How the link can be changed in the SRC attribute? No, we require to write some extra code for that. Every next click for the user to show the image. Yes, we require to do some extra, but not with HTML. We are going in the next level. Yes, definitely I will do that. Don't worry. Up to this is the clear for all of you, right? That's all, man. Just at very top level, basics we are talking. Yes, what is how to insert image, what is the hyperlink, what is the list. Next and after that, what are various heading tags. Okay, like if you feel comfortable, then I will go for how to define tables. Next, a small example for the table, and then what about form submission and so on. Up to this, any doubt? Are you feeling comfortable? Okay, right, sir. That's all. Just I'm stopping the session. So in the next session tomorrow we will talk about, yes, the remaining things.